In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a video quickly and easily using the built-in editing tools on your device. If you want to make simple changes without downloading any extra software, this method is a great option. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for basic edits, like trimming unwanted parts, cutting sections, and adding text or captions before saving your finished video. To get started, open the video you want to work on. Make sure you've selected the correct clip so you don't accidentally edit the wrong file. Once the video is open, look for the edit option and tap or click it to enter editing mode. This is where you'll find the basic tools you need. The first thing you may want to do is trim the video. Trimming is useful when you want to remove extra footage from the beginning or end, like a pause before recording starts or a few seconds after the main action is over. Adjust the trim handles carefully so the video starts and ends exactly where you want. It can help to preview the result before moving on, just to make sure the timing feels right. If you need more precise changes within the clip, you can cut the video. Cutting allows you to remove or separate parts from the middle, which is especially helpful if there's a mistake, a long pause, or any section you don't want to keep. Take your time here and check the playback after each adjustment so the final result feels smooth and natural. Next, add text or captions if needed. This can make your video easier to understand, especially if you're highlighting key information or making the content more accessible for viewers. Keep the text short and readable, and place it where it doesn't block anything important on the screen. If you're adding captions, review them for timing and clarity so they match the spoken content as closely as possible. Once you're happy with your edits, save the video. Depending on your device, you may have the option to save over the original or create a new edited version. If you want to keep the original untouched, choose the option that saves a copy, and that's it. You've opened your video, clicked edit, trimmed and cut the footage, added text or captions, and saved the final version, all without needing any extra software. This is a simple and effective way to polish your videos quickly using tools you already have.